Good morning, student. I am going to talk about first of all ornamental fish culture. What is ornamental fish culture? Introduction. Ornamental fish culture was fish keeping and it is propagation are an interesting activity for aesthetic pleasure and financial opening. Ornamental fish keeping in a centuries in old population hobby. It's trade in more than 125 countries. Less than 1% of the global market for ornamental fishes belongs to the public aquatic sector, with the rest still confined to the hobbyists. Prerequisites for the ornamental fish culture. The success of ornamental fish culture greatly depends on the locations and layout of the unit, with adopting proper management protocol in the breeding and rearing. The basic necessities are like plenty of fresh water, quality brood stock and uninterrupted electric supply. For this reason, one has to plan meticulously while establishing an ornamental units. What are the resources of ornamental fish culture? A total of 1539 species of ornamental fishes are traded worldwide, while in India offer more than 374 freshwater ornamental fish species and in here about 700 marine ornamental fish species. They specialize in ornamental sector about 288 freshwater in exotic fish and 300 marine exotic fish are has been used. This integrated fish freshwater ornamental fishes for 374 and inventories of marine ornamental fishes 700, in freshwater exotic live bear fishes 27, freshwater in exotic egg layer fish 261 and exotic marine ornamental fishes for 300. In different variety of ornamental fishes, for example, again Guarami, three-spot Guarami, pearl Guarami and cold fishes, and then angel fishes and discus fishes. Another than red blood parrot and Oscar, albino shark, silver aravana, this fish are albino shark and silver aravana, kogi carp and flower horn seagull. What is an aquarium? First of all, aquarium is a tank or pool or bowl filled with the water for keeping live fish and underwater animals. An aquarium is a specially designed device that acts as an artificial habitat for water dwelling animals. What are the types of aquarium? The types of aquarium in three types. One is freshwater aquarium, another one is a saltwater and brackish water aquarium. The freshwater aquarium and then two types. One cold water aquarium and another than tropical aquarium. The saltwater aquarium are classified in two types. One reef tank, another fish only. The tropical aquarium are another than classified aggressive aquarium and in community aquarium. The aggressive aquarium only the fighter fishes and same fishes are developed. The community aquarium means in different variety of fish are developed and in live in pond or tank. Okay, types of aquarium. The types of aquarium, first one is saltwater aquarium. The saltwater aquarium means marine water. The saltwater or marine aquarium is a miniature of ocean or marine habitat in house in an aquarium. Just like the ocean itself, a saltwater aquarium consists of fish, coral, rocks and other living creatures such as plants or animals which are used to living in high salinity air, more than useful for in salt water or marine water aquarium of ocean in marine habitat, household in an aquarium. Okay. In freshwater aquarium. In freshwater aquarium is a recapsule that holds one or more freshwater aquatic organism for decorative or bed keeping or researcher purposes. Mostly the freshwater aquarium in use school, colleges, medical clinic and industries, and then reception, hotel. Okay. The organism for decorative or bed keeping or researcher purposes. The freshwater aquarium is a miniature habitat mimicking the ecosystem of ponds, lake, river and any other water pool that exists on land, mostly used for freshwater aquarium. Okay, ma? First of all, aquarium material. The aquarium material, water tank, this one is water tank. The water tank are glass. The tank are glass. Water tank will be the place where we will put on all the setups in the aquarium. This will filled with water and the design of the aquarium. The aquarium material, this for gravels. Aquarium gravels for stones. The aquarium gravel has three main functions for use in the aquarium fish tank. First, it can either act as substrate for the growth of live aquarium plants. It can also be used as a filter medium for the under gravel filter, and finally the presence of gravel as a decoration will enhance the beauty of the aquarium. First, in suitable of in gravel material, different color stones and black, white, red. Okay. Aquarium material, this one is air pump. This one is air pump in oxygen producer. The air pump introduces oxygen into our tropical fishes tank through the airline tubing and air stones. This increased by the oxygen development in the form of air bubbles. It releases carbon dioxide from the aquarium water. Then increase oxygen beneficial all aspects of your home aquarium in leaf plants and beneficial bacteria, and your tropical fishes will through with high oxygen level in their water. Okay. In aquarium material, another one is fishes. In different variety of fishes used in aquarium, shark, goldfish, and then fighter fish. These fish are golden fish. This fish will be serve as the living things, and the whole aquarium is its home. Collection and the trading of aquatic plants in many variety of plants and aquatic tanks used for in precious. In these plants are Amazon plants. These plants are aquatic grasses. These are Basilaria plants. These Campoba plants. These plants are Hydrilla. These plants are Hygrophila. These plants are used for in fish tank. Plants of the aquarium. Three types of plants. One rooted plants and another cutting plants and another then floating plants. The rooted plants are Basilaria and in Sagittaria. The cutting plants are Fernwort and Hygrophila and Limnophila. These plants are cutting plants. In floating plants, mostly used for them in floating plants. Floating plants are, for example, Lemna, Ricea, Salvina. The three plants are used for the aquarium. aquarium used for methodology. First taken for the tank and water added to the water to tank, set up equipments including the light and the oxygen tank and the aerator and the stone for gravel stone, and then feeding. The general rules is to feed a small amount of frequently. The fish feed or natural feed or artificial feed is useful. The natural feed are earthworm and leaf feeds. The worms are used, and artificial feeds are groundnut cake and then protein content used. In balanced food, fish consists of proteins, fat, vitamins and minerals and carbohydrates. Most aquarium fishes are fed on industrial food, which has the form of flakes or granules, but you should feed them with natural food is also. The tips to maintain a healthy aquarium. You must have sufficient light. Check your plants regularly to ensure the roots don't come loose. And then third one is don't overcrowd the aquarium. Fourth, try to emulate an environmental close to the plants and the fishes in original environment. And fifth, beware of introducing a diseased fish into your freshwater aquarium. And then last one is purchase your aquarium fishes and other components required from reputable vehicle. And another benefits of aquarium: the sit back and then relax, reduce the stress and lower the blood pressure and reduce the experience of pain, and amazer and in aquarium, and then mind are fresh, and then aesthetic value of aquarium. Okay, first introduction and then setting and then material, last one is significance of aquarium. Okay ma, thank you.